Welcome everyone. It's day 17. I'm going to give you your flexible mind daily challenge. So our theme today is center. And what I would like for you to do is to practice pranayama, some breathing exercises. I'm going to link a few suggested videos down below in the description box of great videos that I like that go through pranayama techniques. You can follow those along and do that, or of course you can just practice some breathing techniques on your own. There's no specific pranayama exercise that I want you to do. It can be alternate nostril breath, it can be box breathing, whatever it might be. So I simply want you to spend at least like 10 minutes or so really focusing on your breath and trying to cultivate the power of breath control. It really can be such an excellent tool in our toolbox for physical, mental, and emotional regulation. Some breathing techniques are a little bit more activating and stimulating, while others will be cooling and calming and grounding. So depending on what it is that you feel you need today, you can choose a breath technique that suits that need. And again, I'll post a little bit more information in the description box with some examples and some recommendations on what to practice. But really, that's all today's challenge is. Let's find our center by focusing on our breath and practicing breath control. Super sweet and simple, still very powerful. Okay, I will join you again tomorrow for our next daily challenge.